Hi, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you a sugar-free chocolate cookie recipe. The ingredients are 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 4 squares of unsweetened chocolate, 2 cups of Splenda, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 1/4 cup flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Put the oil and the chocolate in a microwavable dish. Microwave on medium for about a minute or until the chocolate is soft. Let this mixture cool completely. Pour your chocolate mixture into your mixing bowl. Next, you'll want to mix in your Splenda. Now it's time to add the eggs. Add them one at a time until they're well mixed. And then add your vanilla. Mix your dry ingredients together and add to your batter. Next, you'll want to chill the dough. Even though your dough is chilled, it will still be very sticky. You can either drop by spoonfuls onto your ungreased cookie sheet, or you can roll them into a ball and put on your cookie sheet. Bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And that is a sugar-free chocolate cookie recipe.